This is my bike check. Guess I'll start out from front to back. Got the stolen blue revolver front rim with the revolver hub. Just stock Specialized forks. I got the S&M Redneck XLT stem in blue. Got the Animal brake cable. Just got some stock Specialized handlebars. Got the Animal Edwin grips in black with the just Animal bar ends. Got the Specialized frame black with a impact headset. Can't really see it, but got the Shadow pedals. They're Shadow Ravager pedals in blue. They're pretty nice pedals. They look like plastic, but they're metal. Just got a regular stock Specialized crank. Got the Shadow Conspiracy Scream sprocket, 25 tooth in blue, 25/9 gear ratio. Got the Animal pivotal seat post. It's got some U-brake, I don't know what kind it is. Got the Sputnik or whatever pivotal seat because Dance Comp was out of the Shadow seats, so I just got this one because it was blue and black. Got the just some random chain came on the bike. Got a stolen revolver rim in the back with the 9-tooth cassette driver, whatever, and got some Specialized Rhythm Light treads on the front and the back. That's pretty much about it. Hub isn't that loud, but I guess it gets louder eventually. But here's the hub sound. Hold on. On the way, we got incubator bacteria. It's back. The Grand Rapids Auto Parts Swap Meet and sale for Deltaplex. This show is 100% automotive related. It's not really loud, but it's good enough. And it's my bike.